Today we are going to attempt to make some homemade rolls, okay? This is gonna be my first time, so let's just get right on into it. Okay, so for this we are going to be using our KitchenAid, but don't worry, you don't have to have a KitchenAid in order to make this. You can actually do this with your hands, but since this is brand new and I haven't used it yet, I'm going to go ahead and use it. So we're going to lift this up, take that off, and I hope it works well because I haven't used it yet, or like I know there's like certain things you need to do, and we're going to use this hook to do it. I don't know what it's called, but we're going to do it. So it's all cleaned. We have about 2 cups of warm milk, so warm your milk, and we're just gonna pour this in here. Okay, we got that in there. 1 egg, about 1/4 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of active yeast. And I'll show y'all, this is the one I used. 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 5 cups of flour, and we're gonna add 1/4 as well. All right, y'all, then we're gonna add about 4 tablespoons of softened butter. I almost forgot to put this in there. Y'all, I think I was supposed to mix it up in between, but I don't know. We're gonna let this knead for like 5 minutes. And when you're kneading yours, just, I guess, knead yours for 5 minutes. I don't even know how to cut it on. Cut the thing on. Oh, it's right here. Oh, put this cover on it so it don't get everywhere. So this is what it looked like. Just a big ball. Just kind of making sure it's not sticking. And cover it until it doubles. Okay. Let's pull it out and see. Ooh, it doubled, y'all. Look at that. Flour down. Yes, it's clean. Roll my hands up a little bit. Cut me up some pieces. Do like 8, I guess. And I'm basically just turning them into little rolls. I'm gonna set them on this plate. And we're gonna let this sit for like 20 to 30 minutes too. That's a big one. I'm gonna take them out one by one. I don't have a small roller, I just got a big one, so. And then I'm just gonna flatten the ends a little bit and roll it up. So we're gonna cover this and let it rise, maybe about 25-30 minutes, just like the last one. Into the oven for about 25-30 minutes. Preheat your oven to 350. Then you can get some melted butter ready to spread on top. Okay, so I made some garlic butter, y'all. This is just garlic, butter, and a little bit of garlic powder. That's it. Melted butter. We're gonna take these out. This is how it look, y'all. Do I need to come closer for y'all to see? They look so good. Now we're just gonna rub this butter on here and we should be good to go. Y'all know I really want to put black pepper on it, but I ain't gonna get crazy. I know that it's probably really hot, but I cannot wait. Gotta see if it's gonna be flaky. Ah! It's hot. Look, y'all. I ate a piece already because I wanted to taste it, but look. I'm super proud. It's not as flaky as I would like it to be, but I'm learning. I could tell, like, I know what to do. Alright, y'all, so this is how it came out. I am super shocked and very proud of myself for doing this for my first time, y'all. It looked like I'll probably be doing this a little bit more, so stay tuned. Make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Don't forget the grocery list is in the description below. Let me know what else y'all want to cook, what y'all want to see, what y'all want to learn.
Hit that subscribe button!